Alright, here we have a brand new 2025 Chrysler Voyager Braunability side entry handicap wheelchair conversion. This is a companion van, manual side entry ramp, although we can make this ramp a power ramp with the ramp upgrade if you choose. This is the best value that Braunability offers. This is a 2025 brand new out of the factory white Chrysler Voyager LX, gorgeous, fully loaded out. Leather interior, black leather interior. Very, very nice. It's a companion van. Dual power side entry doors, fully loaded with the big screen. Nice black interior. Very, very nice. It comes with your tie downs for your wheelchair. Again, this is a manual side entry ramp. We can also make it power if you want. There is a power upgrade function, and the cost is very minimum to have that done, and it's a very quick and easy process if you choose to do so. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. We're happy to help at any time. We do financing. We accept any type of trade-ins. And we got the best deals in the United States on vans, so you can just give us a call. If you have any pricing from another Braunability dealer, we will price match guarantee any Braunability new van anywhere. So you just let us know and we will make it happen. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Happy to help. Been in business 48 years. If you need any easy locks, Q locks, adaptive controls, any seating options, we can take care of that for you as well. That's what we do. We are certified, authorized Braunability dealer. We do Paravan, EMC, ADAP solutions. We do everything. So you just give us a call. We're happy to help. We are certified NAMITA. Beautiful van, fully loaded out, dual power doors. This is the best value, and we don't mark up our vans over MSRP. These new vans we sell right at MSRP, so this van right here we sell right at the MSRP price. No extra markup here. A lot of other dealerships do a little extra markup. That's not what you get from us. So feel free to give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Gorgeous 2025 Chrysler Voyager Braunability handicap wheelchair conversion. It's really nice because the new manual conversion is so easy, in and done. That's it. Very simple. Comes with the handle. The old style did not come with the handle, so Braun added that for the new year model. Very easy, simple. Ask for Jeff or Ken, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Happy to help you at any time. We can ship this right to your doorstep. You can take your trade-ins. You just let us know what you have. Happy to help you. Thank you. This van has 16 miles on it. It's brand new, right out of the factory, right out of the box.